Imagine a single bee sting opens a tiny superhero arena inside your skin. On the neon stage, Bee Venom struts wearing a shimmering golden chemical cape. But wait, Wasp Venom crashes in, brandishing twin molecular nunchucks. You, the accidental arena owner, wonder, what are these flashy ingredients? Quick inventory. Bee Venom is half Melittin, a soap-like peptide that slices cell shells. It adds phospholipase A2, an enzymatic can opener for cell membranes. Sprinkle hyaluronidase, the spreader enzyme, plus itchy histamine confetti. Total dose, roughly 1/10,000th teaspoon, yet the party feels colossal. By contrast, Wasp Venom swaps in Mastoparan peptides, tiny drill bits, for cell walls. It wields kinins and acetylcholine, molecules that shout pain into nerve microphones. So, two venoms, two playlists, same goal, cause chaos quick. At the risk of sounding pedantic, bees are kamikaze. Their barbed stinger tears out. Wasps, meanwhile, are reusable syringes. They sting, smirk, reload. Now, zoom inside your body. Meet Captain Neutrophil, our white blood cell hero. Captain Neutrophil receives the chemical alarm within 30 seconds, speed lines engaged. Melittin punches holes, cells leak, debris floats like popcorn, attracting more immune troops. Histamine stretches blood vessels wider, causing the iconic red volcano on your arm. That swelling is your body building sandbags, not venom bloat. Phospholipase A2 chops lipids, releasing arachidonic acid, a tongue twister turned flame signal. Flame signal orders pain neurons to scream. You yelp. Drama achieved. Cut to the garden. Whiskers the cat carelessly sniffs a wasp. For cats, dose math hurts. They weigh less, so toxin concentration climbs. One wasp sting per kilogram is already a vet visit alert. Dogs share similar risk, though furry coats give mild armor. Large dog, many kilograms, dilutes venom like syrup in ocean. Small terrier, not so lucky. 2 stings could trigger full body swelling. But back to you, our hero. Captain Neutrophil now calls in backup. Mast cell brigade. Mast cells explode glittering histamine, widening the battle arena. If you are allergic, immunoglobulin E antibodies lie in wait like tripwire. Tripwire snapped, whole body shudder, blood pressure dives, danger alarm sounds. That is anaphylaxis, a Greek word meaning without defense. Yes, dramatic. Humans can need emergency adrenaline, also called epinephrine, a molecular defibrillator. Cats and dogs get the same shot, dosed for furball size. Now for grand-scale maths. A honeybee colony holds about 60,000 stingers. If they all attack, worst-case venom mass rivals a chocolate bar. Luckily, bees are busy with flowers, not revenge plots. Wasps, however, host summer picnic fight clubs. No one invited them. Good news, venom molecules decay fast. Within minutes, your enzymes remodel them. Bad news, the holy cells still need patching. Swelling lingers hours. Captain Neutrophil waves goodbye. Macrophages arrive with brooms and recycling bins. Inside Whiskers, similar cleanup begins, but vet snacks are required bribe. So what feels like poison is really molecular slapstick, provoking your security team. Bee Venom and Wasp Venom are distinct soundtracks, both loud, both short. Treat pets fast, watch yourself, and thank your immune heroes for the fireworks. Because every sting ends the same way. Tiny villains exit. Biology curtain falls. Applause. Now go smell the roses. Just avoid clapping the bees. Roll credits. Captain Neutrophil rides a surfboard made of Melittin spray. Easter egg. A wasp polishes its nunchucks. Promises sequel.